Hey Rinky, congratulations on your salon and spa. It looks amazing.
Thanks a lot, Priya. I'm so excited about it.
I'm curious, how did you manage to fund it?
I invested in small cap funds a few years ago.
That's impressive. I've heard of small cap funds, but I'm not too clear on what they are.
A small cap fund is a mutual fund that invests in shares of companies ranked 251 and beyond in terms of market capitalization. These companies often have growth potential. They may work well for investors who are aiming for wealth creation and are comfortable with some market fluctuations.
That's really helpful. I should definitely explore it.
Absolutely. Just make sure to align it with your financial goals and investment style.
On top of investment की हर जानकारी, progressive and focused है ये extraordinary. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.